Bitcoin is about to make history. Ark Invest predicts BTC price could reach 1.48 million. I explain you in this video exactly why this is a reasonable number. It's a big hedge fund which predicts it. We go through all the statistics and we will speak at the end for our day and hourly traders what is happening with Bitcoin as we are retesting back again the daily support line. So I would appreciate if we reach 200 likes. Let's go. How it comes that Ark Invest predicts BTC price could reach 1.48 million. In order to understand this, we have to watch this statistic. This calculation is based on market capitalization. For example, the market cap of gold is at the moment $13 trillion. Bitcoin market cap is at the moment at $520 billion. So it would be from here now 20x till Bitcoin would reach the market cap of gold. This is the calculation which they did. Till 2030, they calculated that Bitcoin will take over 50% of the gold market cap. In this moment, 50% would be 6.5 trillion from the gold market cap, which Bitcoin would take over. The future is behind Bitcoin because you cannot carry gold with you. If you have right now $1 million in gold, you cannot just crossing border with several tons of gold. Therefore, Bitcoin is the solution for this. This is why they're expecting that Bitcoin will take over 50% the market cap of gold. The worst case, they calculate till 2030, Bitcoin will be worth per Bitcoin $258,000. In the middle case, $682,000, and in the best case, $1.5 million per Bitcoin. This is reasonable. Watching even today, more nations plan to ditch US dollars. For example, Brazil and Argentina are planning on common currency for the region in a bid to distance themselves from the US dollar. The more the de-dollarization is happening, the more are people fleeing into crypto, into Bitcoin. The biggest governments cannot completely go into Bitcoin right now for the reason, as I explained to you in the last videos, because they have a market cap of trillions. If they put right now into Bitcoin, there are trillions worth of dollar or rupiah or yuan, Bitcoin would explode. So they cannot right now. It's a step by step, but this is what will happen over the years. So always, as I explain you in this channel, watch the long-term game. The revolution is happening in front of our eyes. Bitcoin addresses holding 1 BTC or more reach 1 million. You see the statistic, even in the bear market, the price is going down, but the holdings are going up. There's only one case in which Bitcoin could go to zero, is either if the whole internet is going to shut down because there's no miners which can operate anymore, or Bitcoin network got hacked, but this is also not so probable. And the third reason could be if it comes out that the CIA or the Russians did BTC to take over the financial system. But all three options are not so probable. But still, this is the reason why the most of the government don't put too much money inside of Bitcoin, because they don't know is our enemy or our competitor who developed Bitcoin. Nobody knows who developed Bitcoin, right? And this is also the reason why we could lose everything, because we also don't know if it will come out that CIA developed Bitcoin and they have all control over Bitcoin. Bitcoin will go immediately to zero because people will take out the money of Bitcoin, put it then into gold or something like that. But there's also a risk in gold because all the people are preying on gold. Gold is the most scarcest asset, but it's not true, because the same happened with pearls. Pearls used to get out from Japan or somewhere. People dive deep into the ocean to get out of these oysters, the pearls. But what happened then? Scientists developed how to make artificially pearls, and pearls suddenly worth nothing anymore. So the same could happen to gold, that scientists will in the future find out how to make artificially gold. And if they do it, gold will be worth nothing. Because why is gold worth something? Because it's very hard to get out gold out of the earth. This is the reason why it's so worthy, because it's also very scarce. There's not much gold on our planet. Let's speak right now for our day traders. So as we saw, we got rejected here on the monthly resistance line. Bitcoin is consolidating right now. By the way, in the second I show you also two coins which I bought. So the consolidation is very healthy. There's only one danger, and you know some people will laugh now, but there is the moon phases, and on Friday we will have new moon. And usually what new moon means, always when we have new moon we see Bitcoin boom dumping, new moon Bitcoin dumping, new moon Bitcoin dumping. So this is the only danger. So on Friday, if you believe or not in new moon, full moon phases, but if we have full moon, we see always with the likelihood of 70 to 80% we see pump. It's not the astrology, it's really based on the past. We could see on Friday evening or in the next days, we could see some more dump to the weekly or monthly support. So as I tell you always, if you're in a long position, just make sure that your stop loss below the monthly support below 25k to be just safe. Otherwise, in case we are breaking this monthly resistance line to the upside, I'm expecting that Bitcoin will straight might shoot to 30k or even higher to 35k. This is still our price tag. That's still what we are expecting. 28% long opportunity, in my opinion, even more if we measure it from here. It's even 30% long opportunity. For our hourly traders, it's still a short opportunity. In case we are breaking the daily support line, we can short to the weekly support line at 25,280, so 4.2% short opportunity. If you don't want any headache with an exchange which has FAT or something else, check out Bybit. You get a $3,000 long or short position. Just click the link and choose you want a long or a short position, and you get 1,000 USDT free long or short position. I am, by the way, still in my RV long position because we're expecting the relief rally has not come to an end yet. Also, I bought yesterday some ordi, you know, the ordinals which we spoke in the last video. Also, I have here the ultimate guide on the Bitcoin ordinals. You have to know, you have to understand it. I bought it yesterday at $15.62 for my long-term holding. I told you I expecting it could go from here, from the $15 at least a 3 till 5x in the immediate short term, or even more. It depends on the BRC20 narrative, on the ordinals narrative. And I bought also today, as I've wrote you here, Cubic. Cubic is not released yet, but I bought directly from the miners. Cubic is a project from one of the IOTA founders, and I told you there's an opportunity because I have direct contact to the miners. I wrote you here. I offered you that my team can buy for you the tokens. They're not released yet, so you can only buy from the miners. It's not an advertisement. I'm not promoting this project because I get paid. I just invested myself, and I just want to bring even more value as I bring anyways to our private small group, which are around 50-60 people. If you want, you can check it out. I'm expecting this project to go to at least 1000x or zero. It's a 50-50%. I don't expect that this project will do 2-3x. I'm expecting really even 1000x or zero. It's from the former IOTA founder. It's an amazing project. I have insider information that a lot of big investors invested in this project, so I have the contact. This is my insider knowledge which I get, which I bring to you, to our small private group. The opportunity to buy into this project I will offer only till tomorrow 12 UTC because I don't want too much headache with it. If you want to join our small private group where you get daily trading signals, you get live trading courses and investment opportunities, just click the link, open Telegram, and the bot will guide you through how to join it. It's $100 per month. You can cancel every month. That's it for today. If you have any questions, write me down below, or which topics I should cover, Bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you later.